Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can get the best OBS settings for streaming. So let's get started. Want better stream quality without lag? These OBS settings can make a huge difference and help your streams look much more professional. First, open OBS Studio and go to Settings, then select Video. Set both your base resolution and output resolution to 1920 by 1080. After that, set your FPS to 60 for smoother motion and better stream quality. Next, head over to the output settings and change output mode to advanced. For your encoder, use NVIDIA NVENC if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, AMD encoder if you're using AMD, or X264 if neither option is available. Now it's time to set your bitrate. If your upload speed is above 12 megabits per second, use a bitrate of 8000 kbps. If it's between 10 and 12 megabits per second, use 6000 kbps. For slower connections, use 4000 kbps and reduce your FPS to 30 in the video settings for a more stable stream. These settings provide a great balance between video quality and performance for most streamers. If this tutorial helped you improve your stream quality, make sure to subscribe for more OBS Studio tips, streaming guides, and content creator tutorials. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.